So, I was over at my mom and dad's, dropping them off dinner, and I noticed as I was walking out the door, something was eating my mother's rose bushes on the front. And she and I got to looking, and we found a really cool caterpillar, a stinging rose caterpillar. Red, orange, black stripes. I'll stick a picture of it in there. Those hang out like the end of summer, the beginning of fall is when you'll see them out and around in your garden. And rose bushes, hardwoods, deciduous trees, stuff like that. They will give you a nasty sting if you touch any of the barbs on those little points that they have on their backs. Do not really touch them. They're not toxic or anything like that, but they will hurt a good bit. So take them and shoo them away to another part of the yard, especially if they're on your roses, because they're eating them up. You can see all the leaves around the caterpillar that have been made lunch by that stinging rose caterpillar. Thought it was really cool. Just wanted to let you guys see it. And in just a second, you'll see another video you might be interested in. But don't forget to keep learning, keep testing, and keep trying to live a more self-resilient life. Take care of your people. I was excited. I thought it was cool.